Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting accessory for all you Garmin enthusiasts out there, the EZMVZKU Stainless Steel Band for Garmin Fenix 7 and 7 Pro. Stay tuned as we dive deep into this stylish and functional watch band. Let's start with a quick overview of the EZMVZKU Stainless Steel Band. This band is compatible with a wide range of Garmin watches, including the Fenix 7, 7 Pro, 6, 6 Pro, 5, and 5 Plus, as well as the Forerunner 965, 955, 945, and 935. It's also compatible with the Approach S70 and more. The band is made of high-quality stainless steel, which not only looks great but also offers durability and resistance to corrosion and abrasion. One standout feature of this band is its adjustable size. With 16 adjustable links, it can fit wrists ranging from 5.5 inches to 8.7 inches. No matter your wrist size, you can easily customize the fit for maximum comfort. Installing the EZMVZKU stainless steel band is a breeze. For some watch models, you may need a screwdriver to remove the original strap. Simply use the screwdriver to release the links, replace the old strap, and install the new one. However, for most models, the band offers a quick fit feature that allows for easy installation without any tools. Host. This band is available in a sleek and stylish black color, adding a touch of elegance to your Garmin watch. It's a great choice for both casual and formal occasions. Now, let's talk about the price. The EZMVZKU Stainless Steel Band is currently listed at $25.99 on Amazon, marked down from its original price of $29.99. Plus, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can enjoy fast and free shipping. In conclusion, the EZMVZKU Stainless Steel Band for Garmin Fenix 7 and 7 Pro is a fantastic accessory for anyone looking to upgrade their Garmin watch. It offers compatibility with a wide range of models, adjustable sizing for a perfect fit, and easy installation. With its sleek black design, it's both functional and stylish. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in enhancing your Garmin watch experience, make sure to check out the EZMVZKU Stainless Steel Band on Amazon. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.